Wilson, the Texas Law Hawk!
Bryan Wilson, the Texas Law Hawk!
Bryan Wilson, the Texas Law Hawk!
Bryan Wilson, El Halcon de la Ley!
When I first started, I had just started practicing law like 6 months before I released my commercial. And Tarrant County is fairly conservative, and so I figured there'd be some backlash, but I did not know it'd be almost an overwhelming amount of backlash of who's this little punk thinks he's gonna step out and make a name for himself with these wacky, crazy videos when he hasn't proven himself with a decade of experience.
Know your rights! Call Bryan Wilson, the Texas Law Hawk!
Bryan, this is Allison.
Hey, I'm Allison.
Hey, I'm Bryan.
How are
Good to meet you.
CMT Southbound!
Were you just making them for fun? Did you ever think that literally millions of people would watch them?
I knew eventually millions of people were going to start watching them. But
You did?
oh yeah, for sure. However, it took us a long time. We've been making ridiculous videos since we were about 15 years old. It's my best friends and I that were making videos. I did not think it was going to happen that fast though. I figured it was going to be like Law Hawk number 9 or 10 before people were like, oh, this guy's kind of crazy. You guys see this yet? But number 3 is the one that took off, and that's running around right here at the stockyards. Because it's hot out here!
I came back here to Fort Worth, and I knew I was opening up my own shop. And at that time, I graduated law school and didn't have a job. You know, if you're opening up your own firm, you gotta dedicate all your resources to that. And didn't really have a whole lot of income, and so I was mowing lawns when I was first starting out as an attorney, living with my parents.
Those wheelies that you see are like the 10th one.
Do process! Do wheelies!
And like 1 through 9 are either I don't get up high enough, or I go 12 o'clock boys right off the back of it and just crash and burn and then roll around in pain for about 5 minutes while my buddies laugh at me. And
We're not gonna go like this, but there's 2 types of lawyers. There's sit and read lawyers, and there's stand and talk lawyers. And I like standing and talking better than sitting and reading.
the last one I rode a jet ski off a ramp. That was about the scariest thing I've ever done in my entire life. And I don't ever want to do it again. It was one take, done. I don't care what it looks like. I'm not ever gonna do that.
My first few clients were just friends or friends of friends getting arrested, public intoxication, or someone would get a DWI and send them over to me. And they trusted me. If a criminal defense doesn't work out one of these days, you might see me mowing a lawn out there.